Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use cruise control in a Volkswagen Passat. First, find the cruise control stalk, typically on the left side of your steering column. Press the on/off button to turn the system on. Remember, cruise control generally requires your vehicle to be traveling above 20 miles per hour to engage. This initial step prepares your Passat for maintaining a steady speed on the open road, making long drives more comfortable and efficient. Once cruise control is active, accelerate to your desired speed. Then, simply press the set button on the stalk to lock in that speed. To adjust your speed, you can press res/plus to increase it or set/ to decrease it. Each press typically changes your speed by about 1 mile per hour, allowing for precise adjustments without using the pedals. This makes maintaining your preferred pace effortless. There are a couple of ways to temporarily disengage cruise control. You can press the cancel button on the stalk or simply tap your brake pedal. Both actions will disengage the system without turning it off completely. If you wish to return to your last set speed, just press the res/plus button. This is very convenient for brief interruptions, like navigating through a short traffic patch. While cruise control is a fantastic feature, it's crucial to use it safely. Avoid using it in heavy traffic, on winding roads, or during adverse weather conditions like rain or snow. Always remain attentive and ready to take manual control of your vehicle at any moment. Your awareness of surroundings and road conditions is paramount for a safe and enjoyable driving experience with your Volkswagen Passat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.